In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test your marketing email in Hubspot. A/B testing is an essential tool for marketers who want to understand what truly engages their audience and optimize their email campaigns. So let's dive in and make sure you can confidently conduct A/B tests using Hubspot in just 5 minutes. First, we need to navigate to Hubspot. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Hubspot's URL, or simply searching for Hubspot, which is an inbound marketing and sales platform. Once the website loads, take a look at the homepage. You'll notice various options, but what we need to do next is click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged into your Hubspot account, you'll be directed to the home dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the navigation bar where you'll find various options. We're interested in the marketing section today, so go ahead and click on marketing. This will open up more choices related to the marketing tools you can access. Now from the marketing drop-down, select email. This will lead you to the email dashboard where you can manage your email campaigns. It's here that we can begin crafting, editing, and optimizing our emails. Look through your saved emails and choose the one you want to test. Simply click on the email and it will open up more detailed information about that specific campaign. With the desired email open, you'll note an option that says Create A/B Test. Click on it to begin setting up your test. A/B testing lets you experiment with various versions of your email to see which one resonates more with your audience. This might include testing different subject lines, email content, or various call to action buttons. As you set up the A/B test, think carefully about what you want to learn from this test and how these insights will guide future campaigns. For instance, you might decide to test 2 subject lines to see which results in a higher open rate, or perhaps alternate content to gauge engagement. Once you've configured the A/B test parameters to your liking, make sure everything looks good. Double check your versions and criteria. Finally, all that's left is to click the button to launch your test. Hubspot will then automatically send each version to a portion of your audience, track the results, and provide you with valuable insights. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily set up and run an A/B test for your marketing emails using Hubspot. This process will help you refine your email strategies and ultimately enhance your engagement rates. Thanks for tuning in and happy testing.